We're gonna make a carrot juice in a juicer today. If you don't have a juicer, I'll put instructions at the bottom under the video how to do it in a blender, okay? So don't stress out, you can still make this. We are gonna spice it up with some ginger and some cinnamon. This is a powerful drink, guys, full of vitamins. Cinnamon is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It's great for your body. And of course, ginger as well. I'll put all of those benefits in the bottom for you if you want to read what you're drinking. But let's go make this. We're going to juice 3 organic carrots. They're washed and I cut off just the tips. I didn't peel them. We're gonna juice an organic cucumber. I cut it in half. I am not peeling it. And an orange, which I peeled. I'm using organic because I'm not peeling it. If you don't have organic vegetables, go ahead and peel them because that's where all the, chemicals that are bad for you are, okay? I'm also going to be juicing about 1 inch of ginger. Same thing, I washed it and I'm not gonna bother peeling it. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to my juice. Liquid gold. Salud, guys, to your health. That is delicious. It's super refreshing. The spices in there, oof, really recommend it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.